everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. And today I'm doing a layout about a grilled cheese truck that we ate at earlier this year. Or actually, by the time you see this, it'll be last year, now that I think about this. We did it Memorial Day weekend. There's a park we like to go to that has like a beer garden, and they always have food trucks. And on this particular day, this is the first time we ever went to that park, and it was awesome and amazing and beautiful. I scrapbooked about it before, but the grilled cheese was also awesome and amazing and delicious. So I am using that grilled cheese paper and that striped paper with the food truck. And really it's kind of a hot dog truck, but I'm pretending it's a food truck. Hot dog and pretzels and that kind of stuff. But you get the idea, right? So anyway, that cheese paper and the striped paper is from the Die Cuts with a View Good Eats 12 by 12 paper pad. It's very old. So I'm guessing it's not even unavailable. Not available anymore. I eyed it for a while at Joann Fabrics, and it was not anything I really had to have, of course, what in scrapbooking is, but it finally went on clearance, and I bought it then because I thought, I have so much paper. Do I really need themed paper? But the answer is yes. Yes, I do, because there's all sorts of fun things like pretzel paper, and there's donuts and hot dogs and pickles and all sorts of crazy things that are super, super fun. So what I did is I mounted those photos of the grilled cheese truck. And what I did is I took a screenshot from the Facebook post about this grilled cheese fest that was going on. And it has the little name of the beer garden too. So I really like that as well. So I've pulled out my die cuts from the American Crafts Obed Marshall Buenos Dias collection. It's the ephemera from that. And I'm just playing around. So I have that Love This banner. I have that little fun circle. I have the Fun Times circle as well, die cut. And now I'm just kind of thinking, what else am I going to do, because this is not enough. And I found that Together chipboard piece from the chipboard stickers from this particular collection. And I'm really loving the way that looks. So back into the die cuts, and there is a little journaling spot. I didn't have to have a lot to say about this because I journaled about the park on another page. I just wanted to talk about the grilled cheese on this one. I think we actually both had the same thing. We both had ham and cheese, grilled cheese. It was so yummy. Ham and cheese sandwiches are one of my favorite anyway, but you put grilled on it, add grilled to it, and I love it. So I did change this circle Fun Times thing and the Love This banner because I wanted the banner to drop down, and I didn't like the way it looked at the top because it would have been covering the grilled cheese if I'd had it drop off. I wanted it to anchor it to an edge and then drop down from there. So that's what I'm accomplishing by moving it. I was a little concerned that it would be too close to that other cluster on the bottom by the truck, but I think it's fine. And I love the blue paper is really aqua. It's almost blue, but it's a little bit more aqua than that. But I love how it looks together. So just adding that in. I know I want to put a title on this, but I also have to figure out how to do that. So I'm avoiding it right now. And using other things. These are, I was just playing with some of the acrylic shapes from that Obed Marshall Buenos Dias acrylic shape piece from the collection there. And then I found these silver stars because it picks up the silver in the Together there. Those are from Redefine Creative. So I like the way that looks, that I'm picking up. Otherwise, the Together would have been the only silver thing on this, and it would have looked a little bit funny. So again, going back to my acrylic pieces, but I don't have enough stars to put more than one colored one in each of the clusters either. So I'm going to go down to 2 in each of the clusters. So liking the way that looks. just adding that in. There is quite a bit of dimension with these acrylic pieces on here, but I don't mind that. Just know if you're not a dimension person, just stay away from that because they're pretty chunky. My books are all stored vertically, so that's not really a problem for me. If you store them flat, that would be a big problem. Okay, just getting that down. That cheese paper makes me laugh, even still looking at it. Well, the cheese paper and the food truck paper, like how much more perfect could that be? Sometimes you just have to scrap the theme. Would it have been cute with another blue piece or something like that? Absolutely, but not as cute as this. All right. So just getting everything glued down. Now I need to find an alpha to work with this. I just pointed where I want it, and I'm thinking I want to pick up on that dark orange. It's almost red. It's so dark. And I remembered I had this alpha. It's kind of a crazy alpha. I've not used much of it because it's like I said, it's so dark orange, it's almost red. So this is American Crafts Thickers. It's the Homestead Alpha in Cherry. So I guess they're calling it red, but it really looks orange when you look at it. I think I wanted to spell say cheese, but realized I didn't have enough E's to do it. We wouldn't want to think about that before, right? All right. Or not, I didn't have enough S's to do say and cheese. That's what it was. And I will MacGyver things, but sometimes the letters don't look great if you MacGyver one and not another one if you have two of them. So I just did cheesy with an exclamation point. All right, you guys, there's the still shot and the detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another later again soon. Bye, everybody.